guys, this is Lovely Lover Designs. My name is Leah, and we have 3 birds here. They're all our birds, and there's 2 budgies and there's 1 parakeet. This one, he's a budgie, and this one, he's a budgie, and she's a parakeet. This one, I'm going to start off from this one. Now the parakeet, blue with yellow head, and her name's Maya. She's a parakeet, and we're gonna go to this one. That one, he is a budgie. He looks like a parakeet. He was a purebred budgie. His mom was probably a parakeet, and his dad was probably a budgie. And he is very small. He is our littlest budgie we have, because we only have 2 budgies. This one and this one. And this one we're going to go on to right now. He is a budgie. His dad and mom are probably budgies, because his dad and mom, they're probably really big budgies, because he's a big budgie. And now we're going to start off from names. But first, after we start off from names, I have to tell you which dad and mom this girl has. We have the dad and mom. Well, we only have the dad. The mother really passed away. And we have the. You can hear all the chirping in the background. That's all her brothers and sisters. She was bred here. The mom and dad. You probably already saw them, because we made a video of them. And now we're gonna start off from names. We're gonna start on from him. His name is Lemon. He's really good, and he's really big. And this guy's name is Kiwi. He's really, really good, and he's small for a budgie. He's really small for a budgie, actually. And this one, she's a parakeet. She's a normal parakeet. We know this one looks like her because he's really small. And her name's Maya, and his name is Kiwi, and his name is Lemon. Really good and really good. I hope you like this video. Make sure to put a like on this video. Lovely Lover Designs.
Like and subscribe.
Bye. Like and subscribe.